Hey yo, this is for all the good men out there. Yeah. I met her under the bridge of Eskawin in Tombia kwa Mkize, very thin and beautiful. Ooh. When I saw her, her beauty was expressed in her eyes and her nose, but covered with sorrow and deception. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Broken hearts, lost of hope and confidence in men because of the result of all her past relationships. I remember her face and the smile she gave me that assured me that I wanted to live with her forever. I remember her face and the smile she gave me that assured me that I wanted to live with her forever. When she told me her story, I couldn't contain myself from crying. I lost her first man from cancer, it was painful. Second man ran away from her for no reason and left her alone with a pregnancy with no hope, neither support. She lost confidence in men, believing all men destroy. But I convinced her I came to restore. She lost confidence in men, believing all men destroy. But I convinced her I came to restore. Hey, hey, oh, oh, oh. Yeah. She loved me unconditionally, she gave me hope in my life. I stopped searching for women because I knew I met my soulmate. We prayed together, she forgave all my mistakes. We went to church together until she was back on her feet. She chose to ruin my life, let me down for no reason, left me alone with my thoughts. Oh, 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 oh. She chose to ruin my life, let me down for no reason, left alone with my thoughts. Oh, 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 oh. Hey. Oh, oh. Yeah. 2 years of happiness, she dumped me without mercy. I can't believe my life without her. All is gone away. Who I'm gonna be praying with, sing with and fellowship with. Oh, my life is over, it is over. I tried to live right for her, be a father for her kids. All is gone away for no reason. Oh God, look at me. I tried to live right for her, be a father for her children. All that is gone away, gone away. Oh God, look at me.